In this video, I'm going to talk about how to install RStudio for the Mac. It's a very simple process and it only involves just a few steps. The one thing I'll say though is that you must have R already installed before you can install RStudio. So once you've installed R already, you can go to the RStudio website, which is rstudio.com. And you can see down here on the lower left there's a green button that directs you to kind of download RStudio. So here there's two versions of RStudio that you can download. One is for the desktop and one is for the server down here. Now we're not going to be talking about the server version at all here, so you just want to download the desktop version, so that's this button right here. So the website should detect automatically what type of operating system you're running. So here I'm running a Mac, and so it recommends this Mac OS X version. So I'm just going to download that right now. And you'll see the download meter go. Once that's finished downloading, you can go to the downloads folder, and it should be the leftmost thing here. So I'm just going to click on it to install it. And then just like any other Mac application, all you have to do to install it is drag it into the applications folder. So I'm going to do that right now. And it's already done. So I can just go into the applications folder here and find RStudio. Double click on it. I'll say yes, I want to open this application. And there you go, you're running RStudio.